Hi guys, in today's video we're going to cover how to keep track of your inventory that you've got leaving your supplier's warehouse and it's en route to you. So to start with, we need to create a supplier location. So we do that by going to reference books, location and bins, and creating another location there. In this instance we've called it supplier location. We're going to create a purchase order now. So this is where you just need to pop in your supplier details. In this instance we've got a Blue Hub supplier there. We're going to blind receipt the stock in because we haven't received the invoice yet. And this location here, we're going to choose that location we've just created. So in this instance, it was a supplier location. We'll save that. And then we'll just pop the stock on. So we'll do 5 bowls and 5 plates. We'll authorise. And as you can see, that stock has been received into the supplier location. So if we go on to inventory, new, stock transfer. So now we're going to transfer the stock from the supplier location on the system, and we're going to have that en route to our warehouse. So we're going to move from the supplier location to our Blue Hub warehouse. Reference number on there, so you've got a reference to be able to refer back to. So the supplier's told us the stock is due with us by the 30th and that it was sent yesterday. So that's where you can keep track of your ETAs, and then the account that we want the finances to go to while the stock's in transit, we'll choose our in transit account. So we're just going to select the products that we've got available from our supply location, as you can see here, saying that we've got 5 bowls and there's also 5 plates. So we've got it. We're going to move it from the supply location. We've got 5 on hand and 5 available, and we're going to transfer 5 of each. So we'll send the stock there. As you can see, that's changed the status to in transit. We've now shown the value in the in transit account from the inventory account. So then this bit can be done on the WMS or on the system. We will go to put away. We can just select those products on there, and then location, confirm that that's within the Blue Hub warehouse, and we've received 5 of each like we've transferred. So when you complete that, once you've told it what day it's arrived, so we'll say it's arrived nice and early, it's actually arrived today. Complete. There we go. And now when you look at the financials, you can see that the stock has been received in the destination, and that amount is now gone from the in-transit account and it's shown as the inventory value. Thank you.